Hi everyone, today we will learn how to remove the cache on Samsung TV for apps. So in order to do that, you have the Samsung TV loaded, then you need the remote. So click here. Once you click it, this will load. Press the up button and then go all the way to the right. Then click all settings. After that, you have to go to the support. And from there, go to the device care. It will take some time to load this. Now go to the manage storage. On the top, you will be able to see the used storage and the available one. Let's say one of your app is not working fine. So what you can do is select the app. Let's say we are going to do Disney, and then press down and then go to the view details. It will show you the app size, the data, the cache, and the total it is using. So there are two options here. One is clear data and the another one is clear cache. So the clear data one means it will delete everything, like except the app. It will delete the login, your login username, password, preferences. But if you just want to clear cache, it is the option to use the clear cache. It will, like if there are any minor glitches, it will remove that. So you just have to click clear cache on the middle of the button of your remote and then select close. So you'll see like the cache is gone, but we still have the clear data. If you want to remove, like if it's causing a lot of trouble, and if you want to remove everything, like you are willing to log in again, you do that too. Then select close. And if you want to uninstall, then you just select it and then just go in here and click delete. So this is how you change the cache for your apps on Samsung TV. If you like the video, please thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thanks a lot.